Hi everybody, in this video we're gonna talk about an iron fly adjustment. This kind of adjustment is extremely unique and uncommon at the same time, easy to learn and very effective. We're gonna talk about the shift range and how do we cut the risk exactly at the same time with one adjustment only. If you're somebody who's doing trading alongside the job or business and you do not want to do a lot of adjustments, this unique adjustments is what you're going to learn in next few minutes. First thing is when iron fly hit the break even and the trade is in loss, panic sets in. Inexperienced, untrained traders get freezed. We're gonna address that immediately. And number two, one method of adjustment. Now to teach you that, I need to load a simulator. It will be very easy to learn and you will learn it how. Watch it till the end if you like to trade iron fly. So here we are on an option simulator. I have loaded the beginning of the month, which is 1st of June. So very quickly, I'm going to make an iron fly. For those who are beginners, let me tell you, iron fly is a combination of a short straddle. Short straddle is we're going to sell at the money call and we will sell at the money put as well. Done. And after that, we will go out of the money. That means above the market, we will buy the call, and below the market, we're going to buy the put. So we go above the market and we buy the same quantity, same series, and we are buying this call. Iron fly is one of the most popular strategies, but the problem is that people just keep on doing the same adjustment. But the market environment have changed. If we do the same adjustment like everybody else is doing and expecting a different result, let me tell you that may not be a very smart thing to do. You need to upgrade it. And let me show you how in a short amount of time, how do I present to you a different unique method of trading an iron fly. As you can see, this is very popular because this is how the payoff looks. And usually a strategy like this, if somebody has a small account of less than a lakh, can do it very comfortably. Why this is attractive to many retail traders? Because this is obvious that the maximum profit here as per simulator is 35,500. The maximum loss here is minus 16,317. And because this is a hedge strategy, so this has gained a lot of popularity. Let me go ahead and let me show you. Now here, if markets stay between this range, then naturally the strategy is expected to make profit. But the problem starts when it touches the break even. And this is exactly what I'm going to address you. So here, it's 2nd of June now, one day into the trade and markets start to move. Now we're going to wait till this market. As you can see, this vertical line, dotted line, which you see over here, this is the market. As soon as it touches any break even, we look forward to do some kind of an adjustment. Market is in range and naturally it is giving us some amount of reasonable result. We'll wait a bit. And now what you see on 8th of June, approximately 1 week into the trade, and now it has really touched the break even. This is where maximum people look to do their reverse buying or these other kind of adjustments, probably sell the calls and make a credit spread or move your iron fly towards the market is and all those kind of adjustments. But in the beginning of the video, I've told you something. So watch it very carefully what we're going to do. First things first, there are two parts of this adjustment. Part number one is we will see where the call is. Remember, we sold one call, one put, and we bought one call and one put. This call which we bought, which is further out of the money, 24,500. Market currently is 23,155. So naturally, it is really further out. Now we have to remove this particular call. So this was, we bought it for 100 and now it's trading at 41.35. So here we go, 41.35. We exited this particular call. And now we're gonna load an option chain again immediately as soon as we square off this particular call. And now what do we do is, we bring this call down, 24,500. We're gonna bring it towards the market. So this is the call which we square off. So far, is it easy? It's very easy to understand, right? This is the one which we squared off. Now we have to go towards the market. Towards the market we have to go 24,000. So naturally from 24,500 we have come below and now we have long this particular call. And this is how it looks when we square off, right? This is how it looks at the moment. What we did, let me give you a recap. It's very easy. We square off the call which is out of the money and then we moved it towards the market is. In this example, I'm showing you the call side. It can be put side as well. Because when we trade iron fly, two possibilities exist. Number one, market may just cross and touch your break even, and you all are familiar with this. Maybe you have learned the iron fly from me. Maybe you have learned the iron fly from this channel or from any other. Maybe you did hit and trial. We squared off this call and we moved this call. So far, we understand this. Now, with this adjustment, there is one big issue, that is, if market reverses up, then what do we see? It's a green horizon over here. But the big problem starts if market continue to go down and if market catches some kind of a trend. Then we understand that this strategy is hedged, but we could see that the loss can really happen on the downside if market starts to catch some kind of a trend. So this is a half adjustment being done. Now I'm gonna load another simulator for you. In that, we're gonna create a different strategy, and then it will be super crystal clear for you. Remember, the first rule of adjustment is that we try to cut down the risk as much as we can. For this, I'll have to show you the new simulator, and this is a new simulator, exactly the same time, which is 8th of June, 9:30 a.m. Exactly the same time. Before I show you the adjustment, let me tell you that the iron fly which we did is with one lot. Now the new strategy which we are going to create, it's going to be with two lots. So learn this and watch it carefully. Also, if you're somebody who trade alongside the job or business, if you look forward to learn better strategies, we have a workshop happening on Sunday morning, 10 a.m. I'm going to leave the form on the first pinned comment. It takes 10 seconds to fill the form and get all details. It's very easy to learn and get exactly step-by-step method. Obviously, the strategies are non-public, but you can learn it. Very easy to learn. Especially strategy number 2, which we're going to discuss on Sunday. Now, back to the topic and understand what exactly we are trying to do here. Now here, we have to counter it with the put. So we are longing around at the money or slightly out of the money put, 23,100. And we sell 23,000 put. It's basically a debit spread which we have made over here, and this is how it looks. Remember, we have done this to strike some kind of a balance between the iron fly adjustment and the debit spread. Now, debit spread has an issue. If markets start to go up, then we see the red zone here, but this can be countered very well with the iron fly. So far, I hope it's clear. Now, obviously, I could show you more adjustment, but that will require a lot of capital. I want to ask you one simple thing. Does it make any kind of a sense in trading to do the adjustment of a 1 lakh strategy with 5 lakh or 4 lakh? No. It makes sense to adjust the hedge strategy with the hedge strategy only. And we got to have a sweet balance between the adjustment. Now let's see what happens with this now. So here I'm going ahead. I want you to watch the date and the time and see where exactly market is going now. And this is what we see is market is sort of still in the red zone, but there is some kind of a recovery happening in the market. And now what do we see? Around 15th of June, market has gone up. And what do we see is a flat 11,953. How much capital it takes to deploy is approximately 90,000 to 1 lakh. I'm sure you can calculate it, how much it is. But we are not done yet. The other strategy which we created that must be in loss because market has gone up now. How much loss in a debit spread? Remember, we traded with double the lots of debit spread. Things may not look pretty good there. So let's see exactly what was happening here. 15th of June we're gonna go. 8th of June is what we did adjustments. Now let's go to 15th real quick and let's see what exactly is happening on 15th of June. Here what you see is that naturally market has gone down, but this is giving us loss of roughly 4,000 rupees. Versus the iron fly really snaps back and this is 11,900, roughly 12,000. In one strategy we lost 4, another strategy we made around 12. So net we're sitting approximately 8k. When you do iron fly, the number one issue is not just the adjustment, but you got to really babysit your trade. You got to watch the trade and you got to do like a lot of adjustments, especially when market go down, go up. That's where this kind of adjustments come really handy. But exactly which strike to pick, when to do the iron fly, what is the logic which Greeks play in the system? That is something which is worth noting here. I'm gonna leave the form in the first pinned comment. If Sunday morning 10 to 12:30 around 1, if you are free and want to learn more, that's the exact reason why I tell you hit and trial way of trading one must avoid into the markets. I wanted to go back on the video and study iron fly versus the adjustment which you've been doing from quite a long time. And there are some viewers who do iron fly from many months and years. When you combine debit spread, in this example I've taken 1:2. You can also take 1:3 as well. It depends if you're doing a weekly iron fly or a monthly iron fly. Rules change drastically when you do a weekly iron fly. Here we were doing monthly. But in weekly, which ratio is good? 1:2, 1:3, or 1:4? That is something I probably make another video of this to give more inputs on adjusting the fly, just like I promised in the beginning of the video. This kind of adjustment of iron fly, managing without using extra guzzling capital, is something which you should know if you're doing iron fly. And I hope that this video helped you understanding how to manage the risk. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the very best. Take care. Signing off. Bye-bye.